Definition of subsequence. Subsequence. Definition of subsequence. The sequence Sn is a sequence of real numbers. Is a sequence of real numbers. And AK is a sequence of natural numbers. Is a sequence of natural numbers. Then there exists a condition n1 is less than n2 is less than n3, so on, nk is less than nk plus 1, again so on. Then the terms S and k, where k is from 2 to infinity of Sn is called subsequence. Okay, here see this Sn is a sequence of real numbers, AK is a sequence of natural numbers. Then the condition, this is a condition, n1 value, n1 should be less than n2, n2 should be less than n3, so on, and the middle terms nk is less than nk plus 1, so on. Then this Snk terms, k starts from 2 to infinity, Snk terms are said to be subsequence of this Sn. Okay, see the example. If you see the example, Sn equal to 1 by n, where n belongs to natural number. Okay, so if we expand Sn, this 1 by n, we will get 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, so on up to 1 to infinity equal to 0. Okay, and if we take the subsequence nk equal to 2k for all k equal to 2, 3, 4, so on, then the terms of the subsequence Snk is equal to S2k. So here I took Sn as 1 by n. So S2k I will get as 1 by 2n. 1 by 2n. 2k or 2n. So if we expand, we will get all even terms. If 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, so on, 1 by infinity equal to 0. So if the sequence is 1 by n, then the subsequence S2k is 1 by 2n equal to this 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. See, all these terms are present in this main sequence. Then this is called subsequence of this main sequence. Okay, here we can say that S2k is subsequence of Sn. Okay, then another example, example 2. If Sn equal to 1 by n, we can, if nk is equal to 2 power k, the terms of Sn are 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, so on, 1 by infinity. Okay, and here 2 power k means S 2 power k means the terms will get power 1 by 1 square, comma 1 by 2 square, comma 1 by 3 square, so on, 1 by infinity square. See here, if we expand, we'll get 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, so on. See, 1 is present in Sn, 1 by 4 is also present in Sn, and 1 by 9 is also present in Sn. So we can say that this S2k is S2 power k is subsequence of Sn. Okay, here we have seen the definition of subsequence. Sn is a sequence of real numbers, AK is a sequence of natural numbers. Okay, then the condition n1 should be less than n2 should be less than n3, so on. Then the terms Snk is said to be subsequence of Sn. Okay, if you see the example, Sn equal to 1 by n, if we expand the terms, we will get 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, so on. So if you take subsequence as this is subsequence, nk equal to 2k. So here we'll get 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, so on. So we can say that these terms are subsequence. All these terms are present in this. See, 1 by 2 is present in this, 1 by 4 is also present. Next, all these terms are present in the sequence. So we can say that this S2K is subsequence of Sn. Similarly, if you see another example, Sn equal to, again one main sequence we are taking as Sn equal to 1 by n. If you take subsequence Nk equal to 2 power k, see all the terms 1 by 1 square, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square, all these terms are present in the main sequence. So we can say this is subsequence of main sequence Sn. So we can say that S2 power k is a subsequence of Sn, or we can say that 1 by 2 power k is subsequence of 1 by n. This is the definition of sequence and definition of subsequence and examples.